Hi everyone, this is Solomon Rush here for another round of DevOps clip. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to generate the SSH key and then add it to your GitLab account. By doing that, you'll be able to pull and push repo from your local machine to your GitLab account. So to do that, first of all, let's make sure that the Git is installed on the machine. I'll go ahead and do Git version. Alright, so I can see I'm running Git 2.34.0 on the window dashboard. Alright, so that's good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and clear that. So the second thing to do is to go ahead and generate the SSH key, and then to do that, I'll just do SSH keygen. Alright, so generating a public and private RSA key. So enter the file in which you would like to save the key. So I'm just gonna keep it. I'm just gonna keep the same path and click on enter. So the system is telling me that I already have a key there. So yes, I did an earlier video tutorial where I generated the key. So this key right here, I'm just gonna keep it to the same folder. I'm not gonna actually use it. I'm just showing you how to generate it. So I'm gonna go and click on yes and go enter the passphrase. I'm not gonna enter the passphrase right now. This is for demo. The passphrase is a good security practice, lets you give it an extra layer of protection to your SSH key. But for now, this is just like a demo. I'll probably won't be using those key anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and skip that. Enter the same, and boom. So now I have the SSH key generated. As you can see, those two files right here, I have a public key, I have a private key living right here, and then a public key living right here. So the private key is very private, just like the name indicates. Just keep it very safe. And then the public key is the key that you'll be using to, the public key is the key that you're gonna be using and add it to your GitLab account. So I need to be able to grab the public key that's generated and living right here. So to do that, I'm gonna use the cat command and be able to display the public key and grab it and then add it to my GitLab account. So I'll go ahead and copy this and then use the cat and then no. So right here, this is the content of the public key that's been generated right here. It's living in this folder right here. I see that public, and this is the public key right here. So this is what I'll be copying and then add it to my GitLab account. So when you're on your GitLab account, go to here and then edit profile and then go to SSH key and see this place right here where I say key. This is where you'll be copying and pasting your public key, and that will allow you to pull and push stuff from your local machine to your GitLab account. Thank you.